The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, West Virginia. We have just received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Huntington, West Virginia, Wayne County. The West Virginia State Police are looking for Cae For Wv, a white female, 15-month-old, and blue eyes. The child was last seen at 2189 Spring Valley Drive, Huntington, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by Joshua Russell Morrow, biological father of child, white male, 6 foot 1 inch, 175 pounds, blue eyes and 42 years of age. They may be traveling in a blue Subaru 4-door sedan, with West Virginia registration for hours F387. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Cae For Wv, please contact the West Virginia State Police at 304-272-5131 or call 911 or *SP on your cell phone.